My name is Michael Richards. You may have heard about my first medical marvel book, Journey to Wellness. I have dedicated my life to helping people overcome their health challenges. Why? About 5 years ago, I started suffering from annoying and downright painful hemorrhoids. So I decided to focus on finding a real solution. I'm going to guess if you're here watching this, you need help, you want relief, and you want it fast. The Vina Pro system is the product of decades of my research to formulate the perfect topical cream. What made finding a real solution so difficult was finding and treating the root cause. Hemorrhoids don't start by some malformation in the skin. It starts in the gut. That's where my guidebook comes in. This system offers advanced techniques to do at home. The guide will teach you how to reverse and prevent hemorrhoids. You'll learn my scientific approach to this affliction and you'll get my top-rated natural hemorrhoid relief cream. This is the only cream with my patented formula, crafted in a real FDA-approved laboratory. Click the link in the description to try 100% risk-free.